vision, so line them up, we break them one at a time. That's right, we're on a
mission. Strike with precision, spike the opposition any way or how. Start the ignition, striving with a vision, and you're never gonna stop us now. So you can get with it or you could get lost, gunning for the victory at any cost. We're starting up a fire and we're burning it down, and you're never gonna stop us now. Hey,
see, I was born into nothing, so I got something to prove.